Welcome. In front of me is a Samsung Galaxy S11 tab, and today I will show you how you can enable power saving mode on this tablet. So to get started, swipe down from the top right side of the screen like this, and here you'll find one bunch of toggles. So in this area, I'm gonna swipe down again, and it will extend the list of visible toggles. Now from here, find the toggle for power saving mode, which for me is visible right here. So actually, oops, it was actually visible without needing to extend it. It's right here. So anyway, once you see this toggle, you can tap on it. As you can see, it enables dark mode, turns on battery saver, and does a couple other things. So let's actually hold this toggle. This will take us to the settings and give us actual options to change some of the things that we might not like, along with actually letting us know what is being changed. So number one, we have limit CPU speed to 70%, decrease brightness by 10%, limit motion spooniness to standard, turn on dark mode, and set screen timeout to 30 seconds. Now there is another one, limit apps on home screen. When enabled this is what you could consider as a ultra power saving mode. Now to actually add this toggle, first need to turn it off and then toggle it on and re-enable it. But for the most part, majority of us are interested in this mode, as the extreme mode removes applications from your home screen, removes wallpapers, and does a lot of things that just make the device less usable. So it might not be the best kind of way, but to have power saving mode, but it is going to be the one that gets you the best battery life. So anyway, let's enable your power saving mode. Once you're done with it, you can quickly turn it off by tapping on the toggle once more. So if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.